From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of tossing and turning on a lumpy mattress? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the Sleep Zone Mattress Topper King Size. This top-rated and best-selling mattress topper is a game-changer, and I'm excited to. With its unique box quilting design, the filling is securely fixed in each box, preventing it from shifting easily, and the elegant and simple colors will give your bedroom a fresh and renewed appearance. Plus, it's OEKOTX certified, which means you can trust that it's made with high-quality materials. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a popular choice for a reason. One of the things I love about this mattress topper is the way it feels. It's like sleeping on a cloud, with a soft and plush texture that cradles your body. The box quilting design also ensures that the filling stays in place, so you won't hear any annoying rustling or shifting sounds as you move around. In real-life use, I've found that this mattress topper makes a huge difference in the quality of my sleep. I no longer wake up with aches and pains, and I feel more rested and refreshed. It's also great for couples, as it reduces motion transfer, so you won't feel your partner moving around during the night. What sets this product apart from others is its attention to detail and commitment to quality. Overall, I highly recommend the Sleep Zone Mattress Topper King Size to anyone looking to upgrade their sleep experience. With its unique design, high-quality materials, and comfortable feel, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a good night's sleep. So why not give it a try and start sleeping better tonight? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.